Bangalore, July 23, 2025. Brigade Hotel Ventures Limited Company shall open its bid issue in relation to its initial public offer of equity shares issue on Thursday, July 24, 2025. The anchor investor bidding date is 1 working day prior to bid issue opening date, being Wednesday, July 23, 2025. The bid issue closing date is Monday, July 28, 2025. The total issue size comprises of a fresh issue of equity shares of face value of 10 rupees each, aggregating up to rupee 7,596 million rupees. Price band of the issue is fixed at rupees 85 to rupees 90 rupee per equity share. The price band. The issue includes a reservation of equity shares, aggregating up to rupee 75.96 million rupees for subscription by eligible employees, the employee reservation portion. A discount of ₹3 per equity share is being offered to eligible employees bidding in the employee reservation portion, employee reservation portion discount.
Affiliated hotels and hotel rooms in South India among the major private hotel asset owners. It's subsidiary of Brigade Enterprises, which is a reputed real estate developer in India. Brigade Hotels is operated by global marquee companies like Marriott and Accor, and they are in the upscale, upper mid-scale and mid-scale segments. The hotels have been recognized for their quality and have been honored with various distinguished awards. At JM Financial, we are proud to support Brigade as it takes the important step towards becoming a publicly listed entity.
Of our IPO of Brigade Hotel Ventures Limited. Brigade Hotel Ventures is a 100% subsidiary of Brigade Enterprises Limited. We are in business for the last 38 years, Brigade Enterprises. We have 4 verticals: real estate, office leasing and owning, retail malls, multiplexes and hotels. Brigade has done more than 300 buildings with 100 million square feet plus as on 31st March 25 and more than 50,000 customers in 7 cities. Brigade Enterprises shares itself were listed in December of 2007. It's about 18 years back, and thankfully the share has appreciated between 700 to 900% over a period of these years. And we have given one bonus issue in 2019, and it has been a consistently dividend-paying company since its listing and even before. The last, even during COVID time, demonetization time, and all the troubled times also. And the last dividend we paid was 25%.
The team, so we've had a very stable team and a team that has seen this portfolio grow to where it is now, and a team that will stay with us for the next phase of growth as well. A little bit on the personal side, I have always been interested in hospitality as a child, because every time we traveled or visited a hotel, we would do the full dissection of, as a family over dinner, as to what went right, what could have been better, and so that keen interest has always been there in this asset class. In fact, during my college days, I did an internship in the Leela Palace in Bangalore in front office and sales, and also in 4 Seasons in Singapore, where the internship was in finance and housekeeping. So I have had my share of making beds, of cleaning overflowing toilets, of clearing the trash in hotel rooms, and I have worked pretty much in most of the departments, even in hotel operations perspective. Then of course, post-COVID, we are now more dependent on domestic business. As you can see in terms of domestic tourists, there are expected to be 5 billion domestic tourists by 2030. I mean, of course, you can have the same tourists doing multiple locations, so that's why the number is at 5 billion. Here, this slide basically shows the 5 cities in which we operate. and the air passenger traffic movement. So these are the 5 cities we currently operate in, and they get about 29% of the overall air passenger traffic movement. But when you look at it from a hospitality hotel supply perspective, these markets currently have only 23% of the country's hotel supply. Fast forward 5 years, this hotel supply share is actually going to fall to 19.5%. What that means is the number of people traveling to these cities is increasing, but the number of hotel rooms in these cities compared to the rest of the country is actually declining. So these cities are actually going to have fewer hotel rooms than they actually need. So this again goes to show how the supply demand dynamics are in our favor.